Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by cleaning and shaping the data so Excel can read patterns. Make sure headers are clear and types consistent. Remove merged cells and blanks. Next, select the contiguous range including headers. Then choose Insert and pick Recommended Charts. This gets you a fast, relevant starting point. You do this because Excel suggests structures based on data types. Once done, you'll avoid mismatches between axes and series. If a suggested chart feels wrong, switch to a specific type, like column or line, to match your message. Once your basic chart exists, refine the series and axes so the visual tells a clear story. Open Select Data to add or remove series and toggle rows versus columns when series are transposed. Then format each axis. Set scale limits, tick intervals, and turn on date grouping for time series. Use a secondary axis for disparate magnitudes or change a series to a different chart type to create a combo chart. Make sure to label axes and add units so viewers immediately understand the measures. Finish by polishing and annotating. Add a concise title, descriptive axis labels, and targeted data labels for key points. Then adjust legend placement and apply clear color contrast or patterns. Check how it reads in grayscale for printing. Use shapes or callouts to highlight insights and include a short caption explaining calculation methods. If things go wrong, check for broken ranges, hidden rows, or mixed data types. Fix the source table and refresh the chart, and the visuals will update correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.